Why are rental properties not good investments? Rental properties may seem like a golden ticket to passive income, but they often come with challenges that can make them less than ideal investments. First, the reality of being a landlord isn't as glamorous as it sounds. Maintenance issues, unexpected repairs, and managing tenants can quickly turn into a time-consuming hassle. Plus, vacancies between tenants can mean months without rental income, which can strain your finances, especially if you're relying on that cash flow. The upfront costs are also significant. Down payments, closing costs, and potential renovations can drain your savings before you even see a return. And let's not forget about property taxes, insurance, and the potential for market downturns that could lower the value of your investment. Even if everything goes smoothly, profit margins can be razor thin, especially if you have a mortgage. And while the property might appreciate in value over time, the real payoff could be years down the road, making it a long-term game with no guarantees. For those expecting a smooth, steady stream of income, rental properties can feel more like a roller coaster ride than a solid investment. That's it for now, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.